Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold yesterday, March 14th. As you can see on the screen, another slow day. 18 orders, 135 on eBay, 2 orders on Hip for 21 bucks. So 20 orders, $156. The aviation store is actually doing pretty good. Had a couple good days, so I'm really over 300 plus for the day yesterday. But I'll do the aviation stuff. I'll keep that separate, and I'll do another video in the next couple weeks. Anyway, we've seen this one many times before. Military humor, sailors hunting subs, topless mermaid picture, $2.99. Next, Lancaster, Pennsylvania Railroad Bridge Water Works, circa 1910. $5.50 on a best offer. Next, Virginia, and this is Norfolk, the Medical Tower, vintage cars, 1950s cars there. But it was sent in early 60s, $6.99. Another one of those sailor ones. I have one left. I think I took a best offer at $2.50 on this one. I think I started off with probably 40 or 50 of these. So it are probably around $2 each. That was an easy $80 to $100 on one listing. Cortland, New York, 1908 view. Main Street from Court Street. No cars, woman, bike. So there's a woman riding a bicycle, a couple women riding bicycles. $6.99 for that card. It's been up for 7+ years. Ontario, Canada, Peterborough, the City Hall. Very early 1950s. It kind of look like 1940s cars. $6.99. This is East Greenwich, Rhode Island, interior, Earnshaw's drugstore soda fountain. Kind of a neat card. $8.99. Got this from the postcard dealer's widow in 2019. This is Oklahoma, compressing Oklahoma cotton for exporting. Another card that's been up for 7+ years, $6.99 for that. Santa Fe, California, limited train, Cajon. Is that how you say that? Pass, Southern California, Fred Harvey. Cool card, $6.50. I can't remember what I've had it up or what I had it up for. Probably $9 maybe. That's about going rate. Garza, Texas, Little Elm Lake, Dallas, Texas, Fish-O-Rama fishing barge. That looks like fun. $20, and that's going to, I think it might be going to Italy. $20 for that card. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, Civil War battlefield, 17th Pennsylvania Cavalry Regiment Monument. And $6.99. This came from either the last postcard club meeting I went to, or this came from the live auction bidding that it was an online auction bidding. I finally listed about 300 of those cards from the postcard club meeting and that online auction. Actually, the auctions are going quite well right now. They end Sunday, but this was one of those. Guy contacted me, asked if I would take an offer of $8.50, which I did. I don't know why it shows up $6.99 here when they actually paid $8.50. Anyway, Franklin, Pennsylvania. This is the River Ridge Farm and Mansion. $5 for that on the best offer. Anthropomorphic dressed rabbits, the Village Green artist sign, Racy Helps. Probably should have put fantasy in the title, but $7.99 for that card. Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, Through the Pines on the Highway, circa 1950s. I always find this one in a quarter box. $6.99 for that card. Erie, Pennsylvania, entrance to Rainbow Gardens, Waldemere Park. There's that. Another one, 7+ years it's been on eBay. East Keansburg, New Jersey, Scenic View Greetings, 1930s. $5 best offer. Cunard Lines RMS, is it a Quintana? Ocean liner, cruise ship, steamer ship. Came in the big lot of ship postcards I bought out one time. $7.99 for that card. This is Huntington, Long Island, New York Library and Nathan Hale Monument. There's that. And that one for $8.99. The two cards on hip. This is Africa, Angola, Native Group, Traditional Headdress, Real Photo. This was actually, when I was thinking about jumping eBay to list on Del Camp, I listed several hundred foreign cards, and this is one of them. And delcamp.net has a sync kind of feature with HIP, and so I downloaded all those cards from Del Camp and put them on HIP, and I accepted a best offer of $14 on this card. And then this one, Newark, New Jersey, 1909, view of Everett Court. There's that. And that went for $6.99. Okay, well, it was a 7-minute video. Not too bad. Sales could always be better, but 156 on 20 orders. Thank you for watching.